Solution 1 for grain and feed treatment. 50% ethanol solution. Ethanol/deionized water equals 1:1. Crush the sample thoroughly using a grinder and pass it through a 20-mesh sieve. Weigh 2 grams of ground sample into a 50 ml centrifuge tube. Add 10 ml of 50% ethanol solution and vortex at 2500 rpm for 3 minutes to get the mixed liquid. Centrifuge at room temperature at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes, and collect the supernatant for later use. If using a mini centrifuge, take 500 ml of the mixed liquid from the centrifuge tube and transfer it into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Centrifuge at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes to obtain the supernatant. Alternatively, take 5 ml of the mixed liquid and filter it through filter paper, and collect the filtrate. Transfer 100 ml of the supernatant into a 1.5 ml container, add 400 ml of reconstitution buffer and mix thoroughly. The resulting mixture is the sample solution. Turn on the thermostatic incubator and set the temperature to 37 degrees Celsius. Take out the test card and place it in the thermostatic incubator. Pipette 60 ml of sample solution and add it vertically and slowly into the sample hole. Close the incubator lid and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Turn on the fluorescence strip reader, click Sample Test, and scan the QR code on the test kit. Insert the test card into the fluorescence strip reader, click Start Test, and the result will be automatically displayed on the screen. Click Print to print the hard copy report.